Okay, so now we're going to do the blind contour lesson, also known as pure contour. And what you're going to need for this exercise is either your HB pencil, okay, or a number 2 pencil will be fine for now since it's early days and you may not have your supplies left, supplies yet. You need a crumpled up piece of paper, and you need either your big paper, or you can do this in your sketchbook if you want. Or if you don't have either of those, you can use a piece of printer paper. That's fine. So I'm going to put this piece of paper, crumpled up paper, up there, and that's what I'm going to be drawing. Whoop, you can't see it. Okay. Now, this lesson is both one of the most important things that you'll learn, and also can be one of the most frustrating, and sometimes it can feel like you're not really learning anything. That's very much not the case. This exercise is about learning to see, and I know that sounds strange, but often when we're looking around just during our everyday lives, we're taking shortcuts, okay? Our brain is not processing every little nook and cranny, every little detail of what we see. Our brain simplifies things, okay? Which is totally normal, and it's beneficial for our everyday life, but it's not beneficial for drawing, okay? For drawing, you have to learn how to really focus on what you're seeing and not generalize an object, okay? So what we're going to do, and what I'm going to show you, is we are going to draw the contours of this crumpled up piece of paper, paying close attention to not only the exterior contour lines, but also the interior contour lines. And we're not going to look at what we're drawing, okay? Let me repeat that. You're going to draw without looking at what you're drawing. You are never going to take your eyes off this. Now, will your drawing look like a perfect representation of that wad of paper? Probably not. And that's fine. That's not the point. The point is to exercise looking and drawing what you, letting your hand draw what you see, okay? But primarily, you're focused on looking, okay? And when you're doing this, it is a very slow, meditative process, okay? If you find yourself finished within like 30 seconds, you're going way too fast, okay? All right, I'm gonna pause the video while I get kind of set up so I can show you just how slow I want you to go, okay? Be right back. Okay, now that I've kind of got everything set up, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I want you to do this in 3 different sections. So you're going to have one that's 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minute sessions. Okay? So I'm going to decide where I'm going to start looking. And then I am simply going to follow the contour with my eye, very slow. And I'm going to draw at the same speed that I'm looking, exactly. Wherever my eye is exactly where my pencil should be on the paper. Okay, so here we go. No peeking. And there is no real right way for you to follow. You can overlap. For example, I'm going down a path on this piece of paper where I'm going to have to double back. That is okay. drawing some of the internal contours now. Just looking and letting my pencil follow exactly where my eyes are. Again, this drawing will look nothing like the object, but that is not the point. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Okay. And essentially, it looks like a scribbly, and that is totally fine. I only drew this little area right here for that whole time that I was drawing. Okay? So I want you to spend 1 minute. You can set a timer on your phone. 1 minute drawing, 2 minutes, and then 3 minutes. At that point, you'll probably be going crazy. That's normal. But you need to learn how to slow down your looking. Okay? So that is blind contour. Do not expect any masterpieces from me or any for yourself or any other student. This is only about learning how to see. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thanks.